Lots of cats. I think the best part about working here is I get to bring my little girl Pepper into work. And she's also from here. She's a rescue cat from Katina. Katina had to resuscitate her many times when she was a kitten. It saved her life. And so when Katina asked me to help her out with her cafe, I couldn't exactly say no. She saved my baby. Working at the Cuddle Café.
It is probably one of the most satisfying things I've ever done.
I think it's really cool that she's found an avenue that really facilitates the saving of cats. It's really awesome.
Tina's a pretty wonderful person. Like, she does a lot for the cafe and I really admire her. That's why I started working here, so yeah. We've adopted out 200 cats in the cafe and out of the cafe, I'm pretty sure.
Our brand new space that we've just taken over. So 2016 is going to be pretty damn exciting for us. So the Cuddle Café is going to expand. This lovely huge area here is going to have our new part of the cafe. And behind the cafe will be a little bit of gallery space and a function area so we can do fundraising for our rescue, and all the other rescues can use it as well. So it's going to be a really awesome space. You probably noticed our cafe downstairs is a little bit tight and dinky, but this is going to be a whole new thing with our street level over there. So we're just at the stage of gutting and polishing floors and making it pretty, and then we're just going to mould it into something amazing. It's going to become organic. We're going to have a few more food options, juices, smoothies, and a lot more vegan options, which is really quite exciting. Cruelty-free options as far as we can get. So what do you think, everybody? This is just really awesome. The cats will still be in the downstairs space, which is nice and quiet off the street, but the humans will have a bit more space to enjoy before they go into their sessions. So pretty exciting. 2016, awesome.